Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Beautiful flower bed in the courtyard of a private house. Stages of creation. When designing a flower bed, a strict sequence must be observed because only it will give the desired result, will achieve the desired effect. Before you start creating a flower bed, you need to take a sheet of paper and a pencil, schematically draw a land plot and determine a suitable place for a flower garden. It is necessary to determine the shape and design of the flower bed because it should be combined with the surrounding landscape, shape and style of the building. When choosing a flower garden, you need to remember that plants should receive sunlight at least 5 or 6 hours a day, so you need to choose a sunny site without droughts. Remove weeds and long grass from it. Now you need to analyze the selected area, determine the type of soil and its condition. In general, the flower bed can be planted on any soil, however, clay soil should be diluted with sand, and the poor soil is fertilized with compost, peat. The next stage is the preparation of the soil and loosening, of the soil. This is necessary in order to saturate the soil with oxygen and evenly distribute fertilizers. Stages of soil preparation. Making several stakes and cords. Removal of turf. Drainage from pebbles and sand. Fertilizer, relief creation, cleaning the soil from rhizomes. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.